what's up? It's WWE's biggest fan, 1997, come back at you with another video. And today I got WrestleMania 21, WrestleMania 22, and WrestleMania 26. Yeah, let's get right into this. WrestleMania 26. Yeah, sweet. This has an episode of Raw and SmackDown on it. I thought that was pretty cool. That's why I picked it up. And it's my first WWE Blu-ray. That was kind of funny. Just sliding out like that. That was really funny. That's really cool. I can't wait to watch the Raw and SmackDown on here. That's really awesome. Now, WrestleMania 22. This one is my all-time favorite. I love this WrestleMania. I had it growing up. I just love it. I was so shocked to find it. So happy. Let me get this open. I might need a pen or something. Nope, I think I got it. Haha. Trying to get this open. Thought I had a pen. Kendra, you want to find me a pen? My wife is going to get us a pen real quick, so. Anyway, while she's doing that, WrestleMania 22, I had to be my favorite because I really, really liked the Mick Foley versus Edge hardcore match. It was really, really good. I liked when they set the table on fire and Mick Foley and Edge went through the table. That was pretty fucking crazy, you know, for being a kid and watching that. Freaking crazy. I said, sorry, I didn't mean to cuss there. Hopefully they don't take down my video. Oh yeah, this looks pretty freaking new. That looks pretty spanking new, doesn't it? Spoiler. I don't really like when the covers show spoilers to it, because if you're showing it to someone new, you know, they're gonna already know. But yeah, this looks in really, really great condition, guys. Oh, what do we have here? Hell yeah. That's pretty awesome. So I'm guessing this has to be like new because this comes with it new. Someone had just got rid of it. This has to go on my wrestling wall. That's badass. Sweet, I cannot wait to watch this. This one I'm probably going to be watching over and over again. And now WrestleMania 21. Did already open this one, but this is when they go to Hollywood. Goes Hollywood. And in this one, I really liked the first ever Money in the Bank match. And Undertaker versus Randy Orton, that was a good one. And Shawn Michaels versus Kurt Angle, that was really good. Batista versus Triple H, this was just a really great show overall. Really great. This is a must-have. Yeah, so sweet. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe. And I do plan on doing a review on all of these eventually. Thank you for watching. Peace.